Hello, Zach Yelton here, Director of Premium Services at Coastal Shores Landscape. Thanks so much for tuning into our March 2021 newsletter video. We are glad that March is here, and as we look forward to some warmer weather, we're inching closer to spring and getting closer to the times that we see our landscape start to wake up. A lot of us get very excited to see things green back up, especially the lawn areas around our home. Today I just want to mention a couple of things that'll help you set some realistic expectations for your lawn for spring. It's a common thought to want to get fertilizer down as quickly as you can to green that lawn up, and while some of that is true, I want to encourage you today to consider more about the soil temperature than you do the air temperature. We get some days here, several days in a row, are close to 70, maybe even mid 70s, and we get excited and we think, let's get that fertilizer down and let's green the grass up. Reality is, we're just a week removed from freezing temperatures, so the soil temperature has more to do than anything with greening your grass up. So we pay very close attention to the soil temperature. Soil temperature dictates a number of things in the landscape. It dictates not only when the grass can green up, but it dictates how the grass can use the fertilizer that is in the soil. Many parts of the fertilizer won't become even available to use until that soil temperature warms up and everything kind of wakes up around it. You get a lot of activity going on in the soil as the soil warms, but when it's still cool down below, as it can be this time of year, you're not going to get a lot of benefit out of putting a lot of fertilizer down. So it is why we at Coastal Shores wait until soil temperatures warm up to put fertilizer down. You won't see us put any fertilizer on the lawn this month in March. That will come next month in April. So there's what you can expect there. The other thing that is soil temperature dependent is weed germination. So a lot of our spring weeds will germinate as the soil temperatures rise, and we're paying close attention to that. In fact, last month you heard us really pushing for pre-emergent herbicide, which helps prevent weeds from germinating in your lawn. Many of you signed up for that, and we've been actively putting those, making those applications this week. It's still not too late. Rob mentioned, see the sign-up link below. We still have a little bit of a window here where we can get that down on your property, and it's still going to be very effective in preventing things like crabgrass and goosegrass in your lawn. So if that is you, you're interested in that, click the link below. And again, if you have any questions about what a certain weed is, something that you see year in and year out, please send me a message. I'm happy to come and meet with you or even talk to you on your property about that. Last couple of things I want to mention here as we get warmer into spring, and now that we've had all this moisture in the soil, you're going to see fire ants become very active in the soil. So if you start seeing a lot of mounds pop up around your property, don't be alarmed. That's a pretty normal sight around here. We do have some very effective treatments that can go down on your property, and it's a blanket application in the beds and in the turf, and it will prevent fire ants for up to a year, season-long control. So it's a really, really great product that we have a license to apply. So please contact us about that. You'll see a link below for signing up there as well. And other than that, as we get closer to spring, we are going to be reaching out to you all about aeration and top dressing. Those are services that we're offering here this spring. And aeration, you're going to see a lot more literature coming out about that, and even a separate video explaining what that can do for you and how that can benefit your lawn. But if that's you and you have some questions about that, let us know. I would encourage you, if you have heavy clay soils that many of us have, as we get further away from the coast, aeration will definitely help your lawn this spring. So hey, again, thank you so much for taking some time to listen today. Look forward to speaking with you soon, if not seeing you out on your properties. And thanks. Enjoy the spring.